Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's a silver and white tablescape challenge, and that's hosted by Glamour Ellen. I'm going to be listing the hosts and the playlist down in the description box below. So let's jump into the video. So here we'll be starting off with cleaning off this table. So I'm going to go ahead and use some furniture polish and wipe this down. Okay, so I am all done polishing that table. Now I'm going to go ahead and place a white runner in the center of the table. And this I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So now this piece here, I DIY'd a while back. It was a thrifted item and I turned it into a beautiful floral arrangement. So we're going to be decorating the table using this. So I'm going to leave you to listen to some music as I gather all my stuff together to decorate this table. So here we're going to be decorating the table with these charges that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I embellished the center of them with gems, and this came out absolutely gorgeous. Now, a while back, the Dollar Tree was carrying marble melamine plates, and that's what we're going to be using here to set this table. Now what I'm getting ready to show you are these two iridescent roses that I couldn't resist placing them on the center of these plates. Now we're going to be using these water glasses, and then we're going to be using these wine glasses that the Dollar Tree carried a while back. Very trendy, very classy, and very elegant. I'm running around gathering my items for the table, and I'm also resetting and moving things around to my liking. Time to light the candles, and we're almost ready for the reveal. So we are going to get very close to these pieces, and all of the pieces that have gems on them I handmade. So those are very special pieces to me. I really hope that you enjoyed every single piece and the table setting. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host Glamour Ellen for hosting this collaboration. Okay, now let's take this table setting apart. Here is the iridescent rose, okay, that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And then here were the marble plates, the melamine plates that the Dollar Tree was selling at one time. They didn't have the full set by me. And then these are the silver charges, and all I did was embellish the center with gems, which that came out absolutely gorgeous. So now let's place everything back, and I'm going to reveal this table to you with a dimmer light. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.